Okay, I want y'all to explain to me something. If you go to a vending machine, put in $1.25, press Sierra Mist, what do you expect to get? You expect to get a Sierra Mist. Instead, I get this. Alright? Don't get me wrong. I love Crush, but I like this flavor. I do not like grape soda. I don't like grape juice. The only grape flavored thing I like are actual grapes. Anything else that's grape flavored or cherry flavored reminds me of Robitussin. And I don't like Robitussin or any kind of cough syrup or any kind of liquidy medicine. So I don't need no grape flavor. Like if they gave me the orange one, I would have been fine with it. And I would be complaining about nothing. I'd be like, hey, y'all gave me this, whatever. It's fine. But y'all gave me Robitussin juice. Y'all gave me carbonated Robitussin. What am I going to do with carbonated Robitussin? I mean, clearly I'm going to drink it. I paid $1.25 for it. I mean, I paid $1.25 for Sierra Mist, and I got this instead. I mean, apparently I got to pay like $1.50 to get the Sierra Mist or something, but whatever. I mean, I should sue the school for some false advertisement or some bull like that, but I'm not going to do that. You know why I'm not going to do that? Because that's just dumb. Like, people go to court over stupid things. So if I'm going to really sue these people over that'd be retarded. Going on like Judge Joe Brown. These guys falsely claimed that those Sierra Mist when it was clearly Crush. I mean, it's not that serious. But I'm still highly upset that I wasted $1.25. I went all the way down. You don't understand how far away my room is from this vending machine. I went all the way downstairs, happy and gleeful, you know, thinking about getting me a Sierra Mist, or maybe even an Orange Crush, or, you know, some kind of water bottle. It's cool. And then I saw the Sierra Mist was in stock, and it wasn't sold out. I was like, cha-ching, jackpot, let's get it. Clicked on it. I'm like, yeah, let's get it. I'm about to go upstairs, grab on some oatmeal cream pies real quick, you know, drink it down with some Sierra Mist. No, I get this. This really ruined my mood. See, it's all dark and stuff too. That's why you know it's not a crowd pleaser. That's why Kel always liked orange soda. Orange soda is bright and colorful. This dark and gloomy. I can't rub my cheek against this. I feel like he's gonna stab me in my sleep. I can't rub my cheek against this. I can rub my cheek against this though. He's nice and friendly. This one, no. This looks like he's gonna shank me or something. And no, it's not just because he's black. Well, there you go for hidden racism. Oh well.